Clothes that start to fall apart after a few weeks are more and more common. Due to reduction of price, quality has fallen significantly, but some of you probably want quality and eco clothes that will last longer. So, if you're one of those individuals, this video is for you. The most important thing to look out for is the clothing material. Organic natural fibers are highly recommended because of their longevity and eco-friendliness. Great examples are organic cotton, organic linen, organic hemp, tencel, and wool. With that said, you must keep an eye out for fast fashion brands that have their so-called eco collection, because those clothes usually have only 20% of recycled materials, out of which mostly polyester is used. So what you want to do is to check tags and pay some attention to the specific material and their amount. This is one of the most significant yet simplest things anyone could do. Also, you should stay away from mixed fibers because their separation is more difficult. As a result, recycling is much harder and energy intensive, which doesn't do our planet any good. Synthetic clothes should be avoided as much as possible, especially polyester ones. Their plastic base makes them not biodegradable and they release lots of microplastics when they get washed. Instead, consider tencel or viscose, as they are plant-based and they are unable to release microplastics. But it's also important to inspect clothes themselves before buying them. Doing so will get you high quality clothes that may last for a lifetime. You can quickly tell if clothing is poorly made if it feels awful on touch. Make sure that it does not have any loose threads and that the stitching is straight. Uneven stitching probably made you wonder how poor was the quality control. Also check if the sews are aligned and close together. Weight is also an indicator if clothes are well made. If it feels light, they could be chipping out on the materials and the garment won't last long. Buttons and zippers also play a big role. They must be heavy, well sewed and sturdy. Those properties allow them to last for a while. It is believed that quality of wear is identified by price, but that isn't always the case. Low prices aren't good because the production of clothes is questionable. Materials are usually bad and so are working conditions and environmental impact, but some well-known brands produce expensive clothes because of their image. On the other hand, some clothes can be expensive because they are produced with natural materials, non-toxic dyes, and they claim tons of verified certificates. So look for those because they will save you money in the long run. If you are shopping online, you can't inspect quality of clothes. Now you are probably asking yourself, how do I check if the garment will last long? It isn't that hard, it may be even better than regular shopping. Electronic shopping allows you to research the brand itself. Usually eco-friendly brands will show their certificates because of their pride. They invested a lot of money making sure their clothes will pass high environmental standards. Also read the comments, especially critical ones, because they usually tell the most about the product and the brand itself. It may help if someone you know wears clothes from brands that interest you. Ask him a few questions, mainly about quality, shipping and so on. There are hundreds of good online shops that have quality and eco-friendly clothes. Just do a quick research and you will be able to buy something excellent yourself. Watch the video for the best eco-friendly fabric and the right for the truth behind fast fashion. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember that even small actions can have a big impact.